Hello everyone. So I'm Khushi from RVCE Coding Club and welcome to RVCE Coding Club channel. So I'm going to solve question 3075 from the LeetCode Contest, which is maximize happiness of selected children. So as you're given an array of happiness of length n, so I'm going to go through the question. So in each term, when you select a child, the happiness value of all the children that have not been selected till now decreases by 1. So we should note that the happiness value cannot become negative and gets decremented only if it's positive. So in case of 0, it would not be. So our output will depend on, so we have to return the maximum sum of the happiness values of the selected children you can achieve by selecting k children. So these are the example test cases. So I'll just go through how it works. So here is the input. So you have happiness 1, 2, and 3. 3 children, and this is the happiness level. And here k is equal to 2. So k is very important. So we have to take 2 of them at a time. So first we take the highest value. In this case, it's 3. So first we take 3. So the remaining 2 will be 2 comma 1. So as in the question it says, it gets decremented by 1. So now it will become 1 comma 0. So 2 will become 1 and 1 will become 0. Now what will be the sum? The sum will be equal to 3 plus 1 because 3 we had earlier and now we'll have 1 left from here. So which will be equal to 4. So this will be the case with respect to the first input. So in case of the second input, where we have happiness of all values is equal to the same, which is 1. So we have to just pick 1. So I will pick 1 first. Then the other inputs, which is 1, comma 1, comma 1, will be decremented by 1. So the remaining values will be 0, comma 0, comma 0. So we need to sum it up. So we have this plus what we have now, which is equal to, or which will be equal to 1 plus 0, which will be equal to 1. So our output should be 1 in this case. So now the third case. So here, what's different from the above two is k's value is 1. So we have to keep that in mind. So here, let's pick the highest value, which is 5. And the remaining, we don't need to decrement because we have to only pick up 1. So the output will remain 5. So I just hope you understood the approach. So I'll just go through the code once. So I think you can use a sorting method if you're like a beginner. Time complexity will be a little high, but as a beginner, it will be very good. So this is the code in Python. So I would like we have used happiness sort in this case. So we'll be reversing it. So you can iterate through the value and you can get the desired output. So I hope this approach is clear and you'll understand the test cases over here and then you will be able to code it. So thank you.
Coding Club.